Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we're going to present our assignment about identifying three technologies management issues within APM company. My name is Muhammad Hadri bin Muhammad Hassan and my teammate Muhammad Sako, Jimisni and Nurul Izzati. Company profile. APM is a Malaysian automotive part manufacturer, has expanded to become a major regional supplier and now to global market. Seperti yang Doktor tahu, APM merupakan sebuah manufacturer yang membekalkan alat ganti kereta. Antara alat ganti yang mereka produce adalah seperti suspension ataupun spring kereta, dashboard kereta, door trim dan lain-lain. Antara klien untuk APM adalah seperti Proton dan juga Honda. Second thing is committed to manufacture products in a clean, sustainable and fashions. Committed to providing its customer with product of the highest quality. Seperti yang kita lihat, APM memekalkan quality yang sangat-sangat baik, highest quality. Salah satunya yang kita dapat tahu sekarang ni, market yang paling sangat mereka conquer adalah seperti suspension kereta. Kita dapat lihat kebanyakan kereta menggunakan suspension daripada APM dan ini kerana kualitinya yang sangat baik. Antara kereta-kereta yang menggunakan suspension ataupun spring daripada mereka adalah seperti Honda dan juga Proton. All of our manufacturing units have been awarded the ISO 14001 certification. And lastly, APM is still at the forefront of the industry and a leader in many areas, including the designs and manufacture of bus and van original equipment manufacturing OEM parts. Vision. As you see, the vision of the APM is to be a global automotive parts supplier, providing one-stop tier 1 service to the OEMs. So seperti yang saya terangkan tadi, antara parts yang mereka keluarkan merupakan part OEM dan one of the big client mereka sekarang merupakan Honda dan juga Proton.
Company mission, a globally preferred innovative automation solution provider to emphasize on its ambition, a culture of team spirit by forging ahead together. APM values its customer as the main impetus for progress. The route that long-term its achievement and triumph can be seen by the various lofty honors that it has gotten. Outfitters of the most recent innovation and cutting-edge hardware, APM is ready to be the major car part producer of value segment. Next slide is case study. The COVID-19 outbreak has led government across the world to impose partial and full lockdowns. Many on-site business activity in Malaysia has been suspended since 18 March 2020, including APM. Depreciations of Malaysian ringgit, which somewhat influence the business where expanded costs will happen to the fare and input exchange. At the point when this occurred, production costs will increase and demand will diminish, and along this line, business benefit will likewise devalue. This enormously influence the productivity of the business. Organization downsizing. One of the options APM take to ensure continuous business operation and its sustainability in the marketplace, but this might contribute to social negative impact and increase of unemployment rate.
Okay, I would like to continue the issue on the case study. Okay, the second issue is regarding the operation risk. Operation risk consists of succession risk impact APM daily business in terms of loss in moral or direction as a result of unplanned void created by the departure of senior key personnel due to reasons such as resignation and retirement. Okay, the second one is product competition. Being one of the largest automotive parts suppliers in Malaysia, often faces intense competition in the market. Is operate based on technology, quality, reliability, and supply price. Okay, we proceed for the next one is higher operation cost. Okay, the cost of raw materials, energy, and commodity can be fluid and volatile, APM company is currently looking into the use of alternative and sustainable material and also underway for the introduction of robotics and mechanization into their production platform for greater efficiency and cost saving. Okay, and the fourth point is regarding the consultancy report. Okay, it is vital strategic planning tools that can be used to analyze current company circumstances. And then the second point is for the report, we can conclude that it will keep up its situation business very cautiously looking into its present business position on the lookout in the market. Okay, the third point is SWOT analysis system could assist APM company with calling attention to the interior factors, for example, qualities and shortcomings, and outer factor, for example, opening, dangers and threats. Okay, continuing to the next point is regarding the SWOT metric analysis. Okay, the purpose of SWOT metric is to identify the strategies that can be utilized to exploit external opportunities, counter threats, and build on to protect APM strength and eradicate its weaknesses. Okay, so by the point that we can get from the case study, such as higher cost operation risk, organization downsizing, and depreciation of Malaysian ringgit in a midst of COVID-19. So by this use of SWOT analysis metric, we can gather all the strength, weaknesses, opportunity and threat in order to get the strategies for the best for the company to overcome their weaknesses. So this will ensure the APM company will avoid having loss to the market and also to its competitor. So other than that, APM company will use the SWOT metric analysis to ensure for future planning and forecasting of the company will not affect toward the company development. So for example, like weakness and threat strategy, we can show that we can conclude that higher quality R&D staff in order to overcome the problem of weakness of low success rate in R&D and shortage of skilled workforce.
Recommendation for business operation continuity. Setting up of more distribution network in the domestic and export market carrying a wider range of APM products. Explore the use of e-commerce platforms to capture and expand its sale profile. Maintains a close and long-standing customer relationship, enabling APM to understand its customers' need and meeting their demand timely. Recommendation for research and development. Innovate and introduce new product. Continues to spur the elevation of the automotive industry towards connected mobility and the adoption of robotic and Internet of Things throughout the value chain. Ensure that R&D capabilities are at least on par with the latest trends. Effort to develop new and better products and to invest in technology that further reduce operational costs. For prudent financial management, APM has adequate access to internal and external funds to cushion the impact of COVID-19 pandemic, cut down the operational costs due to the current situation, invest in strategic company future requirements, and ensure that calculated ROI and risks are closely monitored. In conclusion, we believe the proposed suggestion would fittingly be actualized in 5 years vital plan, which underlines innovative extension, savvy business tasks, demonstrated innovative work and effective monitoring arranging.
During COVID-19 pandemic, business survivability ought to stay important and business resume to close arrangement toward APM vision and mission objective.